This 5-minute solution will show you how to set time limits for apps on iPhone. So if you want to set time limits for an specific app, the app will be automatically closed after the time. Now let's see how you can set time limits for an app. Go to settings, tap on screen time, and first of all we need to enable screen time. So tap on turn on screen time, continue. This is my iPhone. Once done, tap on app limits, enable app limits, enter here your screen time passcode, tap on add limit, select a category and select the app you want to set time limits for and tap on next and select here time, tap on add, and now if I go to the app and after that time, as you can see my app has been blocked. You have reached your limit on WhatsApp. So to ask for more time, tap on ask for more time, and from here you can increase your time limits. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.